Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Tuesday the 19th of June. And today we had a small gap up in the markets here, and the markets took it and ran with it and just chopped sideways into the lunchtime period, and which it does sometimes. Basically what we did today, we made two trades, both successful. Our maximum profit potential that we were working in was 2 3/4 points or 11 ticks. Actual entries and exits, we made 4.5 points or 18 ticks. Our first trade, we grabbed a long right off the open and we rode that up, took a little profit and then took a little more profit. Then the market came back down and then it took off from there and ran pretty well, and then we got short right in here and rode that down, took a little profit, and then after that we watched the markets come back up and chop around a little bit. So that's basically what we did on the day. 4.5 points, definitely not that bad. If you round down, let's say 4 points at $50 per point, you're looking at $200 for 2.5 hours. Not too bad. But anyway, with that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we do focus on the ES, which is my favorite market to trade. I've always enjoyed the S&P equities, or trading the ES, the S&P futures. It's always been fun for me, and to see other people that are as passionate as me, that care about and really want to learn how to trade. It's definitely been cool, and to be able to trade in front of people every day is it's definitely pretty cool. Sometimes it's a little more work than other times, just because you have an audience in front of you, and trading that way rather than just trading by yourself, there are a couple other things involved. Trading on your own, you might make money, you might lose money, it is what it is. Trading in front of other people, it still kind of is the same. You either make money or you don't make money, but then you have some people that sometimes they only take, maybe you take two trades, one's a winner, one's not a winner. Well, they take the one that's not a winner, they don't take the one that's a winner, and you feel bad because they only took that one trade, but in the end, it is what it is. We are in it to make money. That's one of the things, like in the beginning, you feel bad because you're like, oh, this guy lost money because of me, but in the end, every day, you're grinding away, and it's definitely a lot of fun though. It's very gratifying because I do have a lot of people that give me compliments, and it makes me feel good that, hey, I'm actually doing something that's worthwhile. So definitely appreciate everyone who's supported this site since it's been open and all that. And with that, let's check out the news for tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow we have FOMC day. It's going to be an interesting day. We don't have any news in the morning time. At 10:30 we have crude oil inventories looking for -1 million. Prior reading was -0.2 million. 12:30 we have FOMC statement, so that'll be interesting. 12:30 we have federal funds rate. Don't expect anything there. 2 p.m. we have FOMC economic projections, and then 2:15 an FOMC press conference. So that's what the day is going to be filled with. It could be an impactful morning. We'll see what happens. But anyway, that's what's going on for tomorrow. So we'll keep abreast of that. And with that said, hope everybody enjoys this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate the support. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.